Hey, what's up, losers? I got some big news. This motor moved. I mean, you know, the internals moved. Last you saw, Ronnie and I were working on bypassing the factory theft deterrent system. And so I made this little jumper wire right here. I don't know if you can see that. Boop, jumper wire. I made that to just basically bypass this relay that was keeping the car from getting 12 volts to the starter. I had to hunt down this wire. There's a black and red wire right here that I had to extend down to the starter. I basically had to run it down. There's a black and blue going in to this connector, and there's a black and green coming out. The black and green comes out and it goes to the clutch interlock switch, or the ignition interlock switch. After the switch, it comes out black and red, so I had to hunt down the black and red wire, extend it down to the starter. It really wasn't a big deal. It just took me a second to figure out, but we are a step closer. Right now, when I tried to turn it over the last time, the battery, you could hear that the starter was hitting the flywheel, but it wasn't turning. The battery's just a little weak. So I got the battery on charge, and I don't know. Let's y'all want to hear this thing turn over real quick? I do. See if I can roll down the window. Windows work. All right, here we go. Dang it. Let me set it on jump real quick. Try this again. Take two. So this is going to be a pretty short video, but I don't give a crap because my motor moved. It's turning over, and we like that. So at this point, I've got to get my Haltech all hooked up. Got to hook all my wires up. I got to get belts on the front of the motor. I got to get spark plug wires. Also, I didn't hear the fuel pump cut on. So I'm going to try to hook the Haltech up so it'll run the fuel pump. Until next time, I'm super happy. Goodbye, YouTube.